Welcome back to Quick Tips. In this week's video, we're going to talk a little bit about mail merges in InDesign. InDesign handles it a little bit differently than Word and likes to call it a data merge. But let's dive right in. To get started, we're going to set up our file inside of Excel. And I have a very simple list here. I've added a column for names. If I wanted to, this could have emails or any other information. The important thing here is that the first row here defines what's happening in the column. The next thing that I want to do is make sure that this is saved as a CSV. So I'm going to go to File, Save As, make sure it's set to CSV, and select Save. Next up in InDesign, I want to set up my text that's going to have this information put into it. I have a simple congratulations form here for completion of training, and I want to be able to add in anybody's name who finished it up. So I'm going to go over here to my type tool. I'm going to create a text box, and then I'm going to set up my font. Now I could either do that right down here in the context window, or I could go to Window, type in Tables, and then Character. Shortcut on that is Control-T or Command-T if you happen to be on a Mac. I'm going to choose my font, my size, and my color. I can see what this would look like by simply typing something in and then removing it. Next, I'm going to go to Window, Utilities, and Data Merge. I'm going to go to this hamburger menu and choose Select Data Source. And to start off, I want to show you a common problem. I'm going to select my file and choose Open. And it gives me the warning the data source cannot be opened. The reason that this is happening is because I never closed Excel. I still have it open. So the next thing I want to do before I do this, I want to make sure I close Excel. Say OK. Again, hamburger menu, select data source, choose my file, open, and right there is my file. Now all I have to do is drag that name right into here, and it will add it in. If I would like to see a preview of what this might look like with my actual names, I can select Preview. When you're happy with your settings, you can come right up here to Create Merge Document. Once I click that, it comes up with an option window. This should be good by default, but for example, if you needed to change the range of names, you could do that right here. I'm going to select OK, and now we can see as we scroll down, we have all of our names added right in to our document. It's pretty quick and easy, so give it a try, and let us know how it goes in the comments below. That's it for this week. Hope to see you again next week for another quick tip.